Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share a quick overview of the Hello Bluebird kits that are releasing tonight. If you haven't heard the news, Hello Bluebird is switching to kits. This is going to be our first ever for the month of July. This one is called the Sun, Sand, and Surf Kits, or Sun, Sand, and Surf Collection, and it is so cute and absolutely full of summertime goodness. So I'm going to share what's in the two different kits, and then we also have some add-on products. So we're going to go over all of that in this video so you guys can prepare. All of these products will be released this evening, July 23rd at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're in my time zone. But anyway, these will all be available on the Hello Bluebird web shop, which I will have linked down in the description bar below. So I'm just going to set everything off to the side and we will get started. So kit number one is the smaller of the two kits, and it contains two different stamp sets with their coordinating dies plus two additional dies. So the first set that I'm going to show you is called Jungle Littles at the Beach. And we've got all of these adorable jungle critters in their beach gear. They're wearing shorts and t-shirts. Some of them are sitting on floaties. We've got some sunglasses in this collection. There's some flowers and a little beach ball. Super, super cute stamp set, and there is the coordinating dies. I'm actually filming a card with this set today, so that will be up on my channel next Monday, so stay tuned for that. But I do not have a card to show you with this one for right now. Moving on to the second stamp set for kit one. And this one I do have a couple of card samples to show you. This is the Beach Friends, and again we've got all of these jungle critters with their vacation gear, shorts, hats, t-shirts. There are some sandcastles, beach pails, seashells. Some of them are playing with a ball. There's seagulls. It's just so much fun, and these are so adorably illustrated. It does have matching dies as well. And the first card I have to share with you is this one here, which was already up on my YouTube channel. This one went up this morning. So all of the images on this card are from that stamp set, and then it's also using both of the dies that are in this kit. So I'll show you those. So the first die set is called the Beach Builder die, and it has all of these different waves that you can use. You can use them as sand, you can use them as waves. I've done them as both. My second card sample, I used one of these as sand. On this card, I used them as waves. And then you've also got some palm trees and coconuts and some leaves. So super fun. Those were the two waves that I used on this card, so I could have the waves kind of washing my sentiment away. And the sentiment stamp set, which is in this release, is the Hello Summer. So you can see that one in full detail right there. Really cute. I'm so in love with this collection. I think it's so perfect for summer. My second card sample also uses some of those products. So we've got the Beach Builder die. We've also got the Beach Friends here with the two little critters and the seagulls. And it also features some of the products in kit number two. So I will show those to you next. But anyway, this card I do not have a video for. I ended up making this one late at night, but I am working on another card that is similar using different images, but it's using some of these same supplies. So there will be a video on how to use those coming up soon on my channel. So moving on to kit number two. Kit number two contains all of the products from kit number one. So you're going to get both of the two stamp sets I just showed you, plus their coordinating dies, plus the Beach Builder die, plus the Hello Summer die, and two additional stamp sets and another die set. So the first one I'm going to show you is the Gone Surfing stamp set, which is so adorable. All these little surfing critters. This is a super fun one, and I have a video that I put up on my channel last night using this stamp set. So if you missed that one, you can check it out. I actually don't have the card sample anymore because I sent it to my son. He just moved out to LA, so I sent that to him. You know, just to have a greeting from home, but I will pop it on the screen right here so you can see what that looks like. And like I said, I do have a video that you can check out and see exactly how I colored everything in and how I made it. And then there is the matching die set for that stamp set. There's also now the Beach Bums stamp set, which is in kit 2, and this is a really big one. We've got so many cute critters here. These critters are especially adorable to me. I love the tiger and the elephant, and I love the palm trees. So the palm tree image I used on this card here just to set the scene a little bit better, and I also used some of the florals down here. So I'll be using those in another card. I also really love the sloth that you can have hanging from the palm trees. And I do have a card sample with this one. So this one is very similar to the one that I made in yesterday's video, the card that I sent to my son. It just had the surfer dudes down here instead and a different sentiment. This is also from the Hello Summer die that I showed you from kit 1. But I had made a second one of these as just a template to kind of figure out the dies, because when we get the dies as the design team, there's no pictures to go along with it. So in order to kind of figure out how the die worked so that I could film it in a video and explain it to you, I had to put it together once for myself. So this was my template, and then I just decided to use it since, you know, it was already done. Why not? So I just went ahead and added these two critters here from the Beach Bums stamp set because I really wanted to color them. I just thought they were so cute. So there is that. And then also the die that comes with the kit number 2 is the Big Wave Scene, which is that die that I just was talking about, that I used on this card and also the one that I sent to my son. Such a fun die. It looks complicated, but it really isn't. I put the whole thing together for you in that video so you could see just how easy it is to put together. It was a super fun one to do. I really enjoyed it. If you like puzzles, and it's not a complicated puzzle either. It's an easy puzzle to put together. Then we have 4 additional add-on products, and these are all dies. The first one is the Happy Summer Sentiment die. I have not used this one yet on a card, but I hope to soon. But I really love the Happy Summer, and it's kind of like in a little wave, which is really fun. So that you can buy additionally if you would like. There's also the Beach Slimline Scene, which is really cool. So you can fit all of your critters and create some really cool scenes. I haven't had a chance to use this one yet, but I have planned out a card with it. So it will be coming. I just haven't gotten to it yet. But if you want to see some really cool samples with this one, go ahead and check out our Instagram. Just do like hashtag Hello Bluebird, and you'll see all of the design team. And, you know, some of them had this die assigned to them, so they've got projects using it already, and they look so cool. I can't wait to use this one. Then we have the Beach Umbrella die. This is another add-on. This is like a builder die. You can do different steps, and it's got some really cool clouds. I did use the clouds for this one on this card here, which I just really love those. I love the look of them. They're so different from the usual like fluffy simple clouds. I thought they were just really interesting and different. And then there's also some beach balls and a pole for your umbrella. And the last add-on die is the Tropical Leaves die. So this one is just full of different tropical leaves. And again, I have not had a chance to use this one yet, but there are some really cool design team samples if you are interested in checking those out on our Instagram page. Also, once the kits go live, we will have lookbooks with all the projects from the design team. So you can scroll through and check all of those out and hopefully be inspired. So as I mentioned, this kit is releasing this evening, July 23rd at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. if you're in the Eastern time zone like I am. I do not know what the price points will be yet. That has not been revealed to the design team yet, but I'm sure it will be up tonight with the release. So I'm sure it's going to be a great value for the money. And I hope you guys are as excited about this release as I am. I just think these products are so innovative and cute and different from anything else I've seen on the market. I did want to mention that the products in these kits are available only for a limited time. So I'm not sure if it's going to be open for a week or 2 weeks or what the timeline is. It will also be on the website tonight. But once they're gone and that is closed, they will never be available again. So if there's something that you see that you love and really want to have, now is the time to get them. So I hope this video helped you out and prepared you for what you might be interested in, and whether it's kit number 1 or kit number 2 or some of the add-ons. But anyway, like I said, that will all be available tonight. And thank you so much if you've already watched my videos that are out using these products. These 2 cards here do not have videos. This one because it was too similar to the first video, and this one, like I said, because I just made it super late at night, but I will have something similar coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And I've got several ideas still coming, so there will be lots more cards using these products. All right, that's it for me today, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon in another video. All right, bye-bye.